Hello, friends. Today I am going to explain how you can check the battery health of your Windows laptop. Many people don't know that you can actually find out how much battery life is left, how many times your battery has been charged, from which date the battery started charging, who manufactured it, and even the serial number. This information is very useful, especially when you buy a new or second-hand laptop. Let's understand why this is important. Suppose you buy a new laptop, and after a few days it falls from your table and stops working. You take it to a repair shop, and the shopkeeper asks you to leave it there and come the next day. He repairs the laptop, but secretly removes your original battery and puts in an old one. You don't notice it, pay the repair charges, and take the laptop home. After a few days, you realize that the battery backup is very poor. You again spend money in another shop to replace the battery. If you had known how to check the battery report, you could have caught this and saved your money as well as your original battery. Another example is when you are buying a second-hand laptop. By checking the battery report, you can immediately see how old the battery is and how much life is left in it. This helps you avoid getting cheated. Now let me explain step by step how you can check the battery report. The first method is by using software. You can install PC Health Checker software. The download link can be found in the description. After installing and opening it, you can see the remaining battery capacity percentage, RAM details, SSD or hard disk size, and other system information. This is the quickest way to check your laptop's battery health. For a more detailed report, you can use Command Prompt. Simply search for CMD in the Start menu and open it. Then type the command, power/battery report, and press enter. An HTML file will be saved on your laptop. Copy the file location, open it in any browser, and you'll see the full battery report. This report shows details such as the laptop company name, system product information, battery manufacturer name, battery serial number, battery design capacity, and the full charge capacity. As your battery gets older, the full charge capacity will keep decreasing compared to the design capacity. In this report, you can also check the battery usage history, which shows on which days your battery was used and from which date it started charging. For example, I installed a new battery on August 21st, 2025, and from August 28th, 2025, I started charging and using it daily. All this record is clearly visible in the report. So, this is how you can easily check the battery report of any Windows laptop. This simple trick can save you from fraud, unnecessary expenses, and also help you keep track of your laptop's battery health. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.